Hello there, my name is Faisal Nadeem, and in this video, I'm excited to take you on a journey that will unveil the path to becoming a skilled and accomplished welder. Whether you are considering a new career or seeking to enhance your existing skills as a welder, this video will provide you with valuable insights and step by step guide to embark on a rewarding and fulfilling journey to become a welder. Okay, so make sure to stay tuned to this video till the end because at the end of this video, I will also share with you the salary data like how much entry level welder, experienced welder, certified welder, and specialized welder earns annually. Okay, very quickly, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, in order to become a welder, the most important thing you need to do is research this welding profession. Try to start by learning more about the welding profession. Okay, and understand the different types of welding techniques, the industries that employ welders, the working conditions, and the potential career paths that are available. Okay, then obtain a high school diploma. Look, basically, a high school diploma or any equivalent diploma is typically required to pursue formal training as a welder. So try to focus on subjects like mathematics, physics, and workshop classes to build a foundation of relevant skills. Okay, then also enroll in a welding program. Okay, like look for vocational schools, community colleges, or trade schools that offer welding programs. Okay, basically these programs provide hands-on training and theoretical knowledge in various welding technique. Okay, then choose a welding specialization. This is very important for you. Basically welding offers various specialization, like if I name the common ones, that includes structural welding, pipe welding, underwater welding, artistic welding. Okay, so try to determine which area interests you the most and aligns with your career goals. Okay, then also gains hands-on experience. Okay, like practice your welding skills under the guidance of experienced instructors. Okay, take advantage of any internship or any apprenticeship opportunities that the welding program offers to gain real world experience. Okay, also try to earn welding certifications as well. This is not always mandatory as a part of welding job, but earning certifications from reputable private organizations, or any government organizations, like if we talk about in US, there is American Welding Society. It can significantly enhance your employability and your earning potential. Okay, and always remember that certifications demonstrate your expertise and your adherence to industry standards as well. Okay, then also develop soft skills as well. In addition to technical skills, welding requires good communication, problem solving, and teamwork abilities as well. So work on developing these soft skills to become a well-rounded professional. I have already created a video on the job description of a welder, which is a very important document for you, because in that particular video I have shared all the work, like the duties and responsibilities of a welder, as well as all the skills and qualifications requirement. Okay, so do check out that video. The link is in the description of this video. Okay, also try to secure entry level positions. Look for entry level welding jobs, or any apprenticeships in industries that interest you. Okay, and also gain practical experience and further polish your skills on the job as well. Okay, then also try to continuously improve yourself. Okay, the welding field is constantly evolving, so try to stay updated with the latest technique and advancement in the industry. Okay, also participate in workshops, seminars, or any online courses to expand your knowledge and expertise as well. Okay, also consider specialized training as well, like if you are interested in a specific welding specialization field, so consider pursuing additional specialized training or certifications to make yourself more marketable in that particular niche. Okay, then pursue career advancement with experience and additional certifications. You can progress in your welding career as a supervisory, or as a welding inspector as well. Okay, so keep challenging yourself and exploring opportunities for career growth. Okay, the last step is very important. Always focus on safety. Always means always. Okay, safety is a paramount in welding, so always follow safety guidelines, wear appropriate protective gear, and maintain a safe working environment, like basically in order to prevent accidents or any kind of injuries. Okay, always remember, becoming a skilled welder takes dedication, practice, and a passion for the craft. So always embrace opportunities to learn and improve your skills with continuity, okay? And you will see yourself on a fulfilling and successful welding career path in very near future, okay? Before sharing with you the salary data, it is important to let you know that the earnings of welder in the United States can vary based on several factors such as location, level of experience, industry, and certifications as well, okay? So as of the latest data I have collected, all these are the approximate salary ranges for welders in the US. So if we talk about the average salary for entry level welders with limited experience, they typically ranges from 35,000 to 50,000 US dollar per year, okay? Then if we talk about the experienced welder, as welders gain more experience and expertise, so their earning potential increases, and experienced welder can earn salaries within the range of 50,000 US dollars to 70,000 US dollars per year, okay? Then if we talk about certified welders, like welders with additional certifications such as those from the American Welding Society, often earn higher salaries, okay? And certified welders can make anywhere from 50,000 to 75 US dollar or more annually, okay? Then if we talk about specialized welders, like welders who specialize in specific industries or techniques such as underwater welding or pipe welding, can command higher salaries as well, okay? So specialized welders may earn upwards of $80,000 per year. And we have welding inspectors and supervisors. So welding inspectors and supervisors who oversee welding operations and ensure quality control, they can earn salaries exceeding $80,000 per year as well. So it's important to note that these figures are approximate, and they can vary based on the factors mentioned earlier, okay? Additionally, economic conditions, demand for skilled welders, and regional differences can also influence salaries level as well, okay? So there you have it, a step-by-step guide for you on how to become a welder. I have already uploaded a video on the job description of a welder that can also provide you valuable knowledge about this particular role of a welder. All the link is in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper, and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, okay? So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.